Well, that didn't take long. And so a little over 9 years later, we finally hit 20,000 subscribers. And first and foremost, I want to thank all of you for being here, watching these videos, subscribing, sharing your ideas, and especially to those who've been here for a long time and the rare few who've been here since the beginning. Thank you, thank you. I really don't know why you're still here, but I appreciate you being here. And then for everybody who's new to this channel, welcome. And to all my fellow creators, you know what I'm talking about. So whenever I uploaded my first YouTube video back in October of 2013, which was a Double Dragon review video, I never would imagine that nearly 10 years later, I would still be making videos on YouTube, and total, I probably created about 3,000 videos total, and it's actually mind-blowing that I'm still doing this. And that tells me that, well, this is something that I truly enjoy. And then this community that's grown here is something that I would have never have imagined. And once again, I'm so grateful for all of you being here. And one of the things that I think as a person who is a big introvert, I don't really feel comfortable in doing a lot of these things, but because it's behind a camera, it is a lot easier for me. But whenever I see that there's 20,000 subscribers, it just kind of blows my mind, because even though not 20,000 people are going to be watching your videos all the time, I look at it this way. Just think about a stadium that could hold up to 20,000 people. That just was really hard for me to process. And for me, in the real world, being an introvert, just being around 5 or 10 people takes a lot out of me. So I can't imagine doing what I do in front of 20,000 people. That would be absolutely crazy. And as this channel community grows, well, I'm gonna have to think a little bit bigger. And so once again, I can't thank you enough for being here. This has really changed my life. You've probably heard this so many times, but until you've gone through it yourself, it is something that's hard to explain. This really has changed my life, because all the things that I've learned, the things that I've tried, the experience that I have, I would never had those things if I did not decide to upload that very first video. And for all of you thinking about, being a creator, I highly recommend that you upload that first video and then see where things goes, because at the end, this is an amazing journey. It's an adventure, and it's one that needs to be shared with other people. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on another video.